This is our black 2022 Super Duty. We noticed a clunk coming from the passenger side, and there's our brake caliper. Good angle right there. Push that back into place. There's the clunky here. And then come back here, and the bolt is missing. Nice.